Welcome to the world of Leonardo AI, your gateway to boundless creativity and image generation. Now, let's get straight to the point. So in my opinion, only Leonardo AI delivers detailed analytics on usage and performance, assisting organizations in identifying areas of improvement and optimizing their operations. So, the greatest AI generator for you will be determined by your unique demands and preferences. MidJourney is an excellent choice if you want an easy-to-use AI art generator with high-quality graphics. On the other hand, Leonardo AI is a wonderful alternative if you need a platform with more customizable options. Leonardo AI prides itself on a user-friendly interface, making it easy for artists of all levels to navigate and explore its features. The website and app are designed to be intuitive, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for users. While MidJourney does have a decent user-friendly interface, it might not be as polished or refined as Leonardo AI, potentially leading to a steeper learning curve for some users. So, here are some examples between MidJourney and Leonardo AI to back up my claim. So, with that out of the way, let's begin with the video. First of all, before starting anything, just simply do a quick sign up to the Leonardo AI server. So, for doing that, just simply click on the link that is provided to you in the description box below. You will be directed to Leonardo AI's homepage. So over here, just simply click on create an account. Then enter your name and email address. And after you have entered the information, click on count me in. Now to get instant access, just simply choose click here. Then it will take you to a new page. And now over here, you will find multiple options. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply join the Facebook group or the Discord group. So choose any of the options over here. For the sake of this video, the sign-in process will be through Discord. Enter your Discord username, enter your first name, and then in the end, just simply click the email address that you will be using to access Leonardo. Then just simply click on submit. And after that, you should instantly receive an email where you will have the early access link. So go to your email and just click on launch Leonardo AI. And then over here, use the email address to sign up and enter a password. And after that, you are done with the sign up process. A verification code will be sent to you in your email. So just check your email and enter the code here. So after entering the code, choose confirm account. Now, over here, after getting inside the Leonardo AI, first create a unique username, then choose your interests over here. You have the option to choose more than one. Then just choose I confirm that I am over 18, then click on next. Now over here, just simply choose a role that you want, then click on Start Using Leonardo. Now, to kickstart your journey into the realm of limitless possibilities, let's begin by generating your first image using Leonardo AI. Now click on AI Image Generation button from the sidebar on the left. Then enter a prompt in the text box like galaxy sky, big tree, dramatic atmosphere, flying island, waterfall, or just let your imagination run wild. Now after that, click on the Generate Image button and behold the magic of Leonardo AI as it crafts your vision into reality. Once the image is generated, it will appear in the image generation feed right over here. Hover your mouse over it and it will reveal a plethora of options like download, unzoom, remove background, upscale, image to image, edit in canvas, or delete the image. Now let's move on to some other settings. So, tailoring your image to perfection is an art in itself, but Leonardo AI really empowers you to easily refine and customize your creation. Now, open the AI Image Generation tool and find the sidebar on the left here. From here, you can adjust crucial parameters to suit your preference. Now, over here, for example, you will have multiple options like the number of images, where you can select the quantity of images that you desire, and then image dimensions to play with the size and aspect ratio for the ideal output. Then there's Prompt Magic, which is their own custom render pipeline that allows great prompt adherence and higher image fidelity. And you can improve the output of any of the chosen model, but it does increase the token cost due to higher CPU overheads. As of yet, there are only two options, V2 and V3. So after that, you will find Prompt Magic Strength, which you can control the weight of your prompt's influence. In my recommendation, around 7 will usually get you the best outcome, but you can experiment with it yourself. Now after that, the next thing is step count. So over here, you can choose the number of steps for generation. So basically, more steps equals more generation time. And then there is tiling. So over here, you can activate it by toggling. It will generate seamless, tileable images, perfect for textures and backgrounds. Once you have fine-tuned the settings, hit the Generate Image button to watch your new masterpiece emerge. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Plus More. Now, let's talk about a few additional features. Leonardo AI has a treasure trove of additional features, each designed to elevate your image generation experience. So, there are many options like image to image where you can transform your ideas into visual art by taking an image and generating a whole new variation of that image. So what you have to do is just simply drag and drop the source image or select use for image to image. Then set the strength to balance your creativity and originality. Enter a prompt like very details rocket launch, lost in galaxy background, astronaut, t-shirt design, streetwear design, pro vector, full design, solid colors, no shadows, full design, warm colors, sticker, bright colors, black background, t-shirt design, text, spaceship, astronaut, white background. Then watch the magic unfold before your very eyes. The next option is unzooming, or just simply zoom out to enhance the visual impact of your image. So to do that, just hover over the generated image and click on the unzoom icon, then witness the image transform. And it will also display different perspectives to choose from. The next option is upscaling, turning low resolution images into high quality marvels images. So again, hover over the image, click on the upscale icon, and then observe as the image scales up to reveal intricate details. Now, the next tool is moving images to the canvas. So, unleash your creativity on a canvas and shape your vision to perfection. You can edit the generated image directly on the canvas by clicking on Edit in Canvas. Explore the wonderful AI Canvas editor for seamless editing, where all you have to do is, after adding the image, just simply add a prompt at the text box below, which should be related to the original one, and watch it generate a beautiful image, as if it was part of the original image. So, if you're seeking inspiration, let Leonardo AI spark your creativity. So what you have to do is just click on the prompt generation heading, choose a number of prompts to ideate on, enter a basic concept, click on Ideate for a multitude of creative prompts. Now after that, let me show you how to fine-tune your very own model. This exciting feature allows you to customize the AI's creative powers by modeling it to match your unique vision. Now it's a very simple process. All you have to do is to simply click on Training and Datasets, then select New Datasets. Then name your datasets and add a description that reflects its essence and purpose. Then upload images or just simply search for images on Leonardo's gallery to include in your datasets. So, in these examples, I named the datasets Gray Zone, which is basically on an abstract selection of high contrast black and white royalty-free images that I uploaded from Unsplash, and also use some gallery selected images already with Leonardo. So once you have your datasets completed with the images you want, click on Train Model to start the training process. You will need to add metadata information in your models, and then after that, just click on Train. So to be clear, what is happening here is we are fine-tuning a new model that leverages Stable Diffusion as the base model, but it is tuned to a dataset of provided images. So processing your model will be available in the fine-tuned models in your model selection page. Now after it is done, you can then click on your model and start generating new images from it. Now when you generate an image using this model, you can see it captures the essence of the trained images. Pretty awesome, right? Here's an image I generated from my Gray Zone model using the following prompts: Odin riding a horse, dramatic lightning, dark, realistic, cinematic. I just created the model and I'm very surprised to see that there are already several hundred images generated using my model. And if your model isn't that great, you can use the community models the community has made and is available for everyone in public. So over here, you'll find a lot of community generated images and models. So with Leonardo AI's fine-tuned model at your fingertips, you're not just an artist, but a creator of new dimensions. You can leverage the power of personalization, explore endless possibilities, and inspire a community of creative minds. So now let's talk about the pricing Leonardo offers. So firstly, the free plan provides a perfect starting point for newcomers and aspiring artists. Experiment with AI generation and learn the intricacies of the tool without any cost. Now, if you want to unlock a higher level of creativity with the Apprentice plan, its price is $12 per month. Revel in generous token allocation, granting you the power to create up to 8,500 high-resolution images each month. Additionally, you will also gain access to exclusive additional features. Then, For those seeking a comprehensive AI image generation experience, the Artisan plan, priced at $30 a month, offers an even larger token generation than the Apprentice plan and a more relaxed generation queue. The top of the tier is the Maestro plan, priced at $60 per month. Embrace unlimited potential with a substantial token allocation of 60,000 tokens per month, more than double what the Apprentice plan offers. Also, enjoy priority access to new features and seamless creativity. So in the end, Leonardo AI and MidJourney are both popular AI art generation platforms with unique strengths. Leonardo stands out for its ability to create custom models using the uploaded images and offers a user-friendly interface with various model options. And on the other hand, MidJourney excels in generating aesthetically pleasing and detailed images. The choice between the two platforms depends on individual preferences and specific needs. Neither is inherently better than the other. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until the next time.